Meaning of discounter.
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 Discounter. The term discounter generally refers to a business that offers goods or services at lower prices than its competitors. This can be achieved by reducing expenses in production, distribution, marketing, and other areas. Discounters often appeal to price-sensitive customers who are willing to sacrifice some quality or convenience for cost savings. The concept of discounting has become popular across various industries, including retail, travel, and finance, and has led to the emergence of many successful businesses worldwide. In summary, a discounter is a company that specializes in offering products or services at discounted prices compared to its competitors.